Good afternoon here from the UK. It's the 27th of October and it's about 10 past 3 in the UK and that is 10 past 11 Eastern time, so we're into the trading day slightly over an hour and a half. An awful lot of red on the front page of VectorVest as the market fell through important support levels yesterday, and as you can see, the longest term measure of the trend on VectorVest, known as confirmed calls, changed to down during the course of trading yesterday. So VectorVest does not advocate buying stocks at this time, is exceptionally good advice. The short-term trend is down and the longer-term trends have turned negative. So I've cleared all my spread bets, took good profits in NEO, little bit in AMD, and the only two that I'm holding is that I've got a position still running in Tesla because I like the way it closed last night, and the update was very good, and I've still got a position running in the GDX. Interestingly enough, as the stock market tanked yesterday afternoon, the gold market was very steady and at the minute is still above that $1,900 and that looks quite good to me. So I've got the gold market sitting here, and as you can see, that level of mine of 1938 is still a line in the sand. So I think keep your hands well away from the mouse on gold stocks until you see the price probably closing above that 1938 level. With any luck, if that's the case, then we'll be on our way for a nice move in the gold market, and that would take us up fib-wise to 2200, somewhere up here. So a lot of work to be done before, but the longer it stays in there, the stronger it becomes. Still danger in pulling back to that 1825 level that I've spoken about quite a few times, but through these levels I think there's a high probability that we'd be well away. So I'm looking at that very closely indeed. If we now go back to the stock market, and if I can find the VectorVest composite, there's the composite, folks, and as you can see, the buy-sell ratio well down below 1. The market's traded down for 2 weeks in a row. That's why we got that confirmed down. A little disappointing in that I felt, as I mentioned to you on Friday, that's the SPX, and I felt that bottom looked quite secure, especially as it closed above Thursday's close. But certainly those new numbers on the darn virus worldwide, in fact, kicked all that positive energy on Thursday and Friday right out the door. The low yesterday, as you would guess, was 78% of that level, and that's sitting down at 3385. So a breakdown below this level of 3385 would be very negative indeed. Nevertheless, there's absolutely nothing to do. The primary wave is down, and it's going to take quite a few days here for the dust to settle. As I say, I've taken off all my positions, some at a really good profit like NEO, and some at a loss, and sitting in the GDX and in Tesla. I'm watching Tesla very carefully indeed. So nothing to be done, but I think a big opportunity coming in gold stocks very quickly indeed. Those of you that are listening from the UK, polymetal would be the best choice, I think, but certainly Hummingbird looks exceptionally good, and a very, very positive update from Hummingbird last Thursday or Friday. Lots and lots of shares that I think we can look at on the gold market if it does break 1938. In the stock market, well, we've got a very volatile week ahead of us. That 3400 level on the S&P would seem to be holding. I certainly won't do anything until I see at least the primary wave turn up and I see a little bit of green on the front page of VectorVest. And then we'll see what happens. But for today, absolutely nothing to do. Yesterday afternoon in my Q&A that I did for the UK people, I told everybody to stand aside because that level in fact had broken, and I'm hoping that everybody did that. Okay, so I'll do quite a few of these during the course of the week in this volatile week, but as of this afternoon, if you've got open positions as I have in the UK market, then just watch your stop losses very carefully indeed, but not a time to be buying stocks. Thanks very much.